I'm going to introduce our most popular model, SE series. And all these models, we have universal voltage from 100 to 240. So you can take it around the world, just change the plug.
The sample should be a US plug as it is our standard, but you can just change the adapter to use in your country.
And then also all these models, they have charging current you can select, as well as all the protection functions such as reverse polarity, spark proof, over temperature, overcharging, and overcurrent. We all have these kind of protections. And now I'm going to tell you the features of each model. For this one is our SC600. This one is very simple for LED display, and this battery charger can charge for 12 volts lead acid batteries such as weight, MF, AGM, and dual battery. And this battery chargers, it has 1 amp, 4 amps, and 6 amps charging current selection. So you can just get these battery chargers, then you can charge your motorcycle, you can charge your car, and you can charge your truck. And also for this one is SC800. It is also very simple with LED display. And for this battery chargers, it can also charge. It's also charged for 12 volts battery, and it also can charge for weight, MF, and AGN. And it also has 1, 3, 6, 8 amps charging current selections, which is very easy to use. And for these three here, this is our SC1000 series, and it all has the LCD display and it's colorful. And for our SC1000s, it can charge for 12 volts lead acid batteries such as weight, MF, AGM, EFB, and it has 1, 3, 7, and 10 amps to select. And this one is our most selling the best battery chargers, and it can charge for lead acid and also light for battery, and this is also for 12 volts only. And for this one is our 1000S, and 1000S can charge for 12 and 24 volts. And for 12 volts, it also has 1, 3, 7, and 10 amps current selections. And for the 24 volts, it has 1, 2, 4, and 6 charging current selections. And for these three battery chargers, we can check your battery voltage, charging voltage, and charging current, and charging times, and charging AH, and percentage. All this information will be shown on our LCD display panel. And besides that, our SC600 and SC1000 Plus also has USB functions, which you can charge your electronic devices such as your mobile phone. And for our SC800, our SC1000 Plus, and our SC1000S, we also have the DC supply power functions. And this one, we have the extra accessory you can select. And we have the cigarette connector, we have the cigarette female socket, and also the OBD2. And as we have the DC power supply functions, when you connect with a battery charger and using this cigarette female socket, you can use to charge your electronic devices such as GPS or some CC camera. And for these two, it's the same functions. It's used to supply power when changing your battery. Now most cars, they have lots of computer system inside the car, so you can't lose your power. Otherwise, the data will be reset or the memory will be loose. At that time, you can choose either OBD2 or cigarette connector, but cigarette connector is only for some old cars, which they can split power from your cigarette socket. Otherwise, most of the cars at this stage, we can use the OBD2 connect with our battery chargers to supply power for your car. Then you can change your battery very easily. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to use our SC1000 Plus. And firstly, we have a simple testing functions. When you connect with your battery, here we will show your battery voltage here, and then you can place the display buttons, and and it will tell you the percentage. Normally, if your battery is over 12.6, we will tell you it's 100%. And also, you can press the more button here, and you will see the key here. Then you can turn on your engine. We can check your engine start, and also you press again, and you will see the signal here. And then we can check your alternator performance. But this is just very simple testing. It's not like a test. It's just teach you some voltage information. And then we can connect with our AC power. And our battery chargers, we all have the complete protection functions, such as if today we connect wrongly, we revise the polarity, you'll be fine, and the charger will tell you connect wrongly. As well as we have spark-proof protection, so if you just like here to connect your clamps together, either how to clamp on, then there will be no spark. So now we can connect correctly. And for our battery chargers, we have 3 charging modes left. This now is normal mode, and normally normal mode is charging in normal conditions. And then which is our snow mode. The snow mode we recommend to charge in low temperature, or you can select to charge 3 to 4 months to use snow mode to charge your battery, which can increase your battery absorption. And also the last one, this one we call boost mode. If today your battery cannot charge by normal mode or snow mode, or after charging, let this charging very quickly, which means your battery could be over discharged or your battery is aging. At that time, we can use the boost mode to try to charge your battery. We will do 4 times boost charging. If your battery can set back to the normal conditions, then it will tend to normal charging mode automatically. Otherwise, there will be faulty signal. So we have to be careful here is for the normal mode and snow mode. We can charge when your battery is on the car. However, for the boost mode, you must disconnect your battery from your car, because boost mode has the higher charging voltage, which might have damage of your car system. So when you're using boost mode, you must disconnect your battery. And then secondly here, the button here is to select your charging current. And for here, you can see this is a scooter. The scooters present 1 amps. And the motorcycle here presents 3 amps. And then car represents 7 amps. And the truck here represents 10 amps. And also here, the button here, we can select your battery types. If today you don't know your battery types, you can leave it blank. The charger will charge in the most suitable voltage, which can suit for any battery types. Otherwise, you can place here to select either weight, MF, HEM, EFD, or light purple battery. And then the last button here, we can see all the charging progress here. Now the charging voltage is 14.4, and the charging current is 2.4, around 2.4 and 2.5. Even I select the charging current in 10 amps, but it only output the 2.4, which means the battery has enough power or nearly fully charging. Therefore, we won't output the 10 amps for this battery. And then here we'll tell you the charging time. And this is our charging progress. For our battery chargers, we have 9-stage charging. We have two charging stages, which is when the battery is fully charged, it will cut off automatically. But if you didn't disconnecting your battery with the charger, then it will keep detecting your battery. If it detects your battery lower than 12.6, then it will goes up to charging again. Otherwise, if your battery is a good battery, normally it won't decrease the voltage to 12.6. Then we will have another stage which we will charging every 15 days when you don't disconnect with this device. So all the charging information will be showing here, so you can see very clearly and you can understand the charging information and the charging about for your battery.